What's up, everybody? It's Paper Drew back with another quick pickup video. This time this is of a Supreme drop. I picked up the Rubber Johnny tee, or one of the Rubber Johnny tees, in that pale mint color. So let me go ahead and open this package up and go ahead and show you guys. So today Supreme did another drop. I'm just receiving this now today, as I live in Florida, and you guys know this Supreme could take a little bit to ship. So I received this today. This was from last week's drop. How did you guys do on today's drop? Me, last week's drop, I went for the Rubber Johnny tee, and I also went for obviously beanies like everybody else, but I think I struck out like everybody else on the beanies. And so yeah, I struck out on the beanies this week as well. I was trying to get the reflective 3M beanies. That didn't work out, and so yeah, that was that. So give me a second, let me go ahead and open this, because obviously these scissors are not working. I don't know where my normal scissors are. My wife probably moved them somewhere, as she likes to do. And so let me get right back into it after I go ahead and crack this thing open. Okay, so we got the bag opened up, and let's go ahead and get it out of the bag. Let's do it this way. Let's see. Okay, there we go. As you guys can see, it's that Supreme bag. And pack it up pretty damn tight. So Supreme bag, as you can see, obviously Supreme drop. Let's see what we got here. What is this? I see something. Okay, so here is, oh, there goes the bag. Here is the t-shirt itself. Here is one of the stickers that did drop. So that's the Chihuahua tee. So that's the Chihuahua tee, and this is the Chihuahua sticker. They did two different ones. They did Chihuahua tee, and the hoodie was looked like this. The graphic on the hoodie was like this, and then they did one where it was like the Rubber Johnny thing. If you guys haven't seen that video, you're already on YouTube. Look it up if you're interested, of course. It is kind of freaky, man. It's kind of weird, yeah. So there's that. So inside the bag as well, son, can you please keep it down? Thank you, appreciate you. Okay, inside the bag I got another goodie. So hold on, let me check. Inside I got, okay, so this is the other one. This one here, this is the Rubber Johnny graphic. I wasn't really too big on this one, so I didn't grab it, obviously. But as you can see, that is the exact graphic on that other t-shirt. It's freaky as shit. The video is freaky, so like I said, if you're interested in it, look it up on YouTube. It's there. It's weird. It's kind of interesting, but it's mostly just weird. So that's it. This is like a 6-panel sticker, which is kind of rare from Supreme. They don't usually do like different stickers like this where it's different ones. They usually just do it where it's just one like that. And of course the original, which fell down here, Supreme BOGO sticker, which I got, which people go crazy for, so that's dope. There that is. So yeah, that's that. So that's cool. Good looks from Supreme on that. And see if there's anything else in here. Sometimes they do some other goodies, but no ball, no rubber ball, no nothing like that. Nothing crazy. But yes, I did receive the t-shirt, obviously. I did receive the stickers from the collab, which is dope. I'll stick those somewhere cool and go on about my life. But yeah, I got it in a size large. As you can see, Chris Cunningham Chihuahua tee. That's the Chihuahua graphic. It's like in a night vision thing going on. Like I said, if you watch the video, you'll know exactly what this graphic is from. Just a regular printed tee. I just thought it was dope. I thought the color was dope. Obviously, I got it in a large. It's not for resale, because I don't think this is a very popular collab. Who knows later on with Supreme? Is weird, because sometimes at first it's not dope, and then at the second hand it is. So it just might be one of those things where down the line it might be worth something. But like I said, I copped it for personal. I did get in this lime green color, or whatever they call it. I think it was mint green, because it's something that's rare. I don't ever really see this particular color on a lot of their stuff, so I just picked it up. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys pick up anything from this collaboration? Did you guys pick up anything from that week? Did you guys pick up anything from this week? How did it go? I don't know, man. The processing, the botting is nuts. Even though a lot of people have said they caught manual this week, And last week I caught this manual. I don't have a bot, but I don't think this was that popular, so it wasn't that hard. But again, like I said, let me know down below what you guys think of this particular pickup. Did you pick up anything from that past week, or did you pick up anything from this week, whether it be the particular RC car or any of the other things? It was dope. Again, this has been Paper Drew. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe down below, not because I asked you, but because you enjoyed the content. And as always, man, y'all stay blessed.